Today I have for you is this. What is this? Well, it is an add-on. It is just a pie menu that brings all the most commonly used viewport settings right next to your cursor, so you don't have to go to this corner, open a panel, change something, do some stuff, come back here, change something else, and go back to your work. What a drag, I know, and that is why this exists. And that is my add-on. Thank you. Wait. One more thing. If you have an object selected, it also shows you some extra options in the bottom left, like this color one, by which you can change the color of an object in the viewport, which did nothing because we are in the material color space right now. Change it to object and we can change the color. See, just like that, you can distinguish between all your meshes. Also, this color is just for the solid view. It won't show in the render material view. You can use this in your renders as well, but that is a different thing and I'll make another video for that. Wait, no, actually, if you want to know how to do this, comment color with a K in the comment section, or a smart guy can just enter how to do it in the comment section as well. Okay, back to my thing. Let's do it from the top. This first section on the top left, we will skip it. I'll come back to it later. Moving down, we have the face orientation. It toggles the face orientation. Next, we have backspace. It turns on backspace culling, makes the red faces go invisible. Next, we have cavity, lighter edges, darker edges. Mostly I have this turned on. Right after this, we have depth of field. Gotta need a camera for this one. Just add in a camera, turn on the depth of field, and as you can see, it turns off depth of field in the viewport. Below that, we have wireframe. It launches nukes at the alien spaceships parked in the outer space. Wait, no, that's a different button. Yeah, this one shows the wireframe for all the objects. Next, we have this object specific settings. This one changes the viewport color. This one copies the active object color to all the selected ones. This one wipes all the diversity and makes everything white. Below it, we have display wire. That changed nothing because we have wireframe already on for all the objects, and this one turns on it for the selected object only. Below that, we have in front. Turning this on, no matter the z depth, the object will appear in front. The next row, these four options let you change the display type of an object to as bound, wire, solid, or texture. One quick note, by default, all the objects are set to as texture, and objects without a texture might seem that it is set as solid, but they are not. Let me show you. By the way, this is another add-on of mine. It is freely available on my Gumroad. Back to the topic. Adding a quick texture, we can see the difference between the solid and texture. Next one, make empty. Now this is a custom function and not there in Blender by default. See, I don't like the empty object shapes in Blender. So using this, I can make any mesh into a empty. For example, this could be empty for a monolith. The object type remains the same, but it mimics the feature of an empty. This might not appeal to everyone, so you can turn this off in preferences if you want to. Halfway through it, let's just speed on the right side, which is very self-explanatory to begin with. At the top, we have the three lighting options: studio, matcap, and flat. Next are the color spaces. For the viewport object is the object color, texture will display the textures, material. Oh, this I found out that many people don't know, but you can actually assign custom viewport colors to materials as well. In the material panel, you will find this viewport display section, which is usually lower than this. Here you can change the color for the material. So you can have multiple color in a single object in the viewport as well. A random is random. An attribute is the active attribute for an object, that is usually the vertex color. Below this are the four modes of the viewport shading: wireframe, solid, material, rendered. Next is the toggle for X-ray mode. I know the X-ray mode has a very handy shortcut, but I have found myself using both the shortcut and this button as well. Next, we can easily switch between the render engines. Switching to cycles also turns on the GPU compute. Below that is the transparency for the background. Now, at last, what we skipped, on the top left, this bar deals with the viewport overlays. The first one is called partial hide. It is also a custom function. Suppose you are placing your camera in the scene. You have scene statistics turned on and also have a image overlay on your camera, say a cropping guide. But if you turn off the overlays, it will also turn off the image and the scene statistics. So what partial hide does is it turns off all the overlays except for the text info, statistics and the camera image. Next up, we have toggle for all the overlays, followed by one for gizmos. And the next one, hide the bones in the viewport. And the last one, hide the relationship lines for parents. Now the ones still watching might have figured out there's still one more thing, this button at the top. See, I have placed the most commonly used options here, but what if you need the not so most commonly used settings? Well, this button just brings the panel here. And that is it. That is really the end of it. You can find it on my Gumroad, link in bio. It is free for now because I don't know what to price it at. So go download it, use it, give it a review if you like it. Okay, bye.